Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can do a factory reset for your Oculus Quest 2 via the Oculus app on your Android or iOS device. Now the first thing you need to do is just launch the app, the Oculus app, and make sure your Oculus headset 2 is turned on. Once you did it and it turned on, you need to go to the settings button. This is the button at the bottom right corner where it says settings, as you can see here in the image. So all you need to do is just tap on this one to go to the next screen. In the next screen, you're going to see at the top that your Oculus Quest 2 is the headset that is paired with this app. What we need to do is just extend this one. This is a drop down, so you need to tap the top row or the arrow, and you're going to extend it and you're going to see more options. As you can see, there are several options: Wi-Fi controllers and more settings. You need to click more settings. The three dots you see there, more settings. This is the one. Just click more settings. This will bring you to a menu with more options. Here what you need to do is just tap, factory reset. This is the third option from the top. After clicking this will cause the asset to reset, means erasing all the data, just bringing it to the condition where it was when you actually first got it. So you need to, once you factory reset finishes, you need to do everything again, install the apps, initialize the user, but it will be easier because you're already connected with your app, so it will know which app to, should be installed, and your user. So it won't be as lengthy as it was before, and you can see actually all the apps and you can choose which one you want to install. It'll be more simple in that aspect. So this is it. I'm going to keep it simple and short. Hope you find this one useful. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. I want to see you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.